Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is Joseph again. I've got a little bench dog kit to show off today and see what you guys think of it. Woodpeckers. And I'm going to have to turn the camera to where I can't just be looking into it. So I'll go ahead and give you kind of a view of, this is the set. It comes in a Systainer, a Tanos Systainer, so it clips with everything from Festool. And that's what it is right there. It's a one-time tool. Woodpeckers 20mm Deluxe Bench Dog Kit. Anyway, it's got several cool things in it that I really like for using with my MFT, as well as the set that I have in my trailer that I used the Domino Fix drilling template to make. I have a video on how to use this as well, but here is the Domino Fix plate. Anyway, that's what I use to do my holes in my bench. This is the template guide bushing for the OF 1400 that I use with it. Anyway, that's what was used to make the holes that I'll be showing here that this Woodpeckers kit works with. And I use a lot of the Woodpeckers stuff. My whole bench tops here are drilled, of course, Festool clamps and whatnot, Woodpeckers, bench dogs and scales and everything. Anyway, just a little idea there. Clamping systems everywhere. But for right now, I have this set up where I can kind of show you what's in this kit. Anyway, this is that little table that plate that I built to go between my workbenches on the other video, the Domino Fix video. It's on this channel also. Anyway, here's what's in this kit. We have bench dogs from 125.125 millimeters right here, and these are threaded down this side, and they accept these from right there, these threaded dog tops. Anyway, they screw right in, so you can set how high you want them just by how far you screw through, and they'll go right in your bench like that. And there's 4 of those, so you could make your deal if you wanted to be able to cut with a jigsaw above your bench, or if you are clamping something down on your bench, gluing or something, and you need multiple heights to get a really nice clamping adjustment. You've got 700s here, 2-inch, yeah, see, anyway, many different heights of bench dogs. They've got 0.125, 0.375, 0.700, and 2.00. Anyway, those would be 2-inch. So, from quarter inch, 0.7, 2-inch, and then of course unlimited really right here. Then right there in the middle are some of the deals that I was really wanting this for. These are their rails that fit over dogs. So you can use these with as short as the 125, and they'll work corner to corner across on a 45. If you want to have a perfect 45 on your bench, you can with this. So you just show you the difference. There'd be a straight one and a 45. So you could push your material right up in here into your corner to then use something like the Festool clamp to push it straight on in here. Or if you just wanted to plane a board, you can put it right in this corner, and then you can get on it and plane it, and it'll stop it right up into here with you if you have something that's a 45. Obviously, if you have something that is just working off of 90-degree angles, then you can put 2 of them like that, and you have your stop right there also. Seeing if I had a board here to kind of show you. Anyway, yeah, right like that right there, and then you're short enough that you can sit here and plane, and this is a 3/4 board. So these are just great for that. And if you have something taller, or something that doesn't actually have an attachment to the table, it has an angle up like that or something, then you could trade out these 125s for, say, a 700. And they'll fit the same way with a 700. You could have 2 different heights of dogs here. As you can see, this fits right here. So if you had a piece that had two boards to it, you wanted to support across then it would support at both heights, both this way and this way, even though it's 2 different heights. Works great for that. And of course, clear up to 2-inch heights the same way. You can get on up there if you want. If you want to be that tall, you can put your board up against 2 inches tall. Anyway, most important part of that really to me is the ability to do the 45-degree angles at the same time as a straight, so that I can push something that has a 45 right up into that and use it. I use a bench dogs a lot. The only thing I wish they had added to this was some of them, I bought these from a guy on eBay that makes them, and they have a flat side, so you can just drop these and you have an instant flat edge to butt a board up to. But these also do that. I'm not sure if these fit the Woodpecker screw pattern or not. I would doubt it. I had him make these with 1/4-20 thread so that I could make my own risers for him. But since then I bought this, and of course if you put these 125s down like this, then you can take your threaded dogs and screw them right in, and infinitely variable. Starting from, let's see how high these will go. Right at the break-even edge is at 2 3/4 inches above the table. You can see that. And of course they'll screw down as far as you have clearance under the table. And these will also fit on here. So you could have an angled rail, whatever you needed really. But that is the Woodpeckers bench dog set, the deluxe kit with the Systainer. I really like things to work together with my Festool equipment, so that's what I go with a lot. I don't know if they'll come back with these or not on the OneTimeTools deal, but they seem to come back around every so often. It's a very nice little set. Festool has a set now as well, and I have not purchased it yet. It came out as a limited edition thing, and it was sold out before I managed to get one. But they're back again now, so I may go ahead and get one. They have the little Festool rails and whatnot. But to me, Woodpeckers is at the same level, if not a little better even. So I'm going with my Woodpeckers bench dog set, and I use a lot of their tools. Their squares, rulers. I got these recently too. These are also OneTimeTools. The Woodpeckers bevel squares. And that has to be a little tool snobby there, though. Nobody needs that fancy of a bevel square. But well, the reason I bought it had this cool angle tool with it. And anyway, you can put these right up against your board, your aluminum board here, and it will tell you the angle you have immediately. But anyway, enough about Woodpeckers tools. I'll maybe do a video on some of these if you want to see them later, but I have a pretty good bit of Woodpecker stuff. Y'all have a wonderful Labor Day. I'm headed out to grill some hot dogs and hamburgers and whatnot for the family. I'm taking today off. Hopefully y'all were able to do the same, and other than emergency call-outs, I'm off for the day. Y'all have a good time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this on your Facebook page or wherever you have online to do so, and it would really help us out working on getting some more subscribers and views and everything in order to have time to do more videos. The more people want to watch them, the more I'll make. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all later. Have a happy Labor Day.